Okay guys, welcome to another video. At the end of last year, realme introduced the C25Y into the Kenyan market. This is my first time interacting with the device. It comes with 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage, a 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging, a 6.5-inch display at 720p, and the most exciting bit, I guess, for me is the 50 megapixel main camera. So in this video, I'm just going to unbox it, take a quick look at how the phone looks like and what you can expect from the device. So, welcome to the Realme family, and let's put that aside. Here is the phone. Let's put it there. Below that, you get the 18 watt fast charger in white. Then you get the charging cable. So it's a micro USB to Type A port and nothing else. So I have not seen earphones in the box. Here's the device. So Realme has been in the market for quite some time, and they're really pushing themselves into becoming a known brand. I feel like the setup process is quite fast and simple and easy. The bloatware is minimal, so yes, you're paying an affordable amount of money because they're not very expensive high-end devices. At the same time, the affordability doesn't mean you're getting bloatware in the device. So as you can see here, most of the apps are from Google. I also like the fact that Realme devices don't have ads within the UI. Let's take a look at the photos you can expect. So just take photos of what we have here. I can expect that you'll be taking quite good photos with this camera. It's a 50 megapixel lens, so the only limitation, I guess, will be software. But yeah, you can expect nice photos. Here is a selfie I just took. I don't think there's any softening of the skin, I can't tell. Yep, the photos look good and true to life, I will say. So the front camera can do 720p or 480p, and the back camera can do 1080p, 720 and 480, which is to be expected. No 4K at this price, but it's to be expected. I feel like the phone is quite fast. Let's connect it to Wi-Fi. So I've connected it to Wi-Fi. I feel like the phone is quite fast. I feel like things open up and work fast as you would expect. So for things like social media, light gaming, the phone will be able to handle. If you want to enjoy online content, I feel like the phone will be able to handle. What could be a task for the phone will be heavy demanding apps, or when a lot of things are in memory at the same time. So be aware of that. Something else to be aware of is that the chipset used here does not support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, so you'll only be able to connect to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi's. Yeah, if you have any questions, I have the phone and I'll be using it. And my only other wish is that it was using USB Type-C, because I'm seeing a micro USB port. That would have been better for me because everything is moving to Type-C, and I feel like the whole ecosystem nowadays uses Type-C, so it would be nice to have Type-C. But yeah, apart from that, I think it's a cool device. And if you're looking for a Realme device in particular, I know there's competition that are offering way better. We already talked about other devices. I'll link some of them below that are offering better value for around the same price. So if you are looking for a Realme device with no bloatware and a cleaner UI with default Google apps, here's a device to consider for 19,000 Kenyan shillings.